Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix server is unreachable ICE failed in Minecraft network, NAT and firewall troubleshooting. Fix 1. Restart your internet connection. Close Minecraft completely and unplug your modem and router for 30 seconds. Now plug them back in and wait for the internet to reconnect. Now launch Minecraft and try joining the server again. Fix 2. Check the server status. Make sure the Minecraft server is online and verify that the server address and port are correct. Then try connecting again. Fix 3. Disable VPN or proxy. Turn off any VPN or proxy service and restart Minecraft. Now test the connection to the server. Fix 4. Allow Minecraft through firewall. Open Windows Security, then go to Firewall and Network Protection. Select Allow an app through firewall and make sure Minecraft and Java TM platform SE binary are allowed on private and public networks. Then save the changes and try again. Fix 5. Change NAT type. Restart your router and enable UPnP in your router settings if available. Then save the settings and restart the router and reconnect and test Minecraft. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.